New information tonight about one of the most infamous murder cases in Atlanta in recent years. The case of a husband, Tex McIver, whose murder conviction for shooting his wife Diane in the back was just overturned on appeal. Tonight, John Sherrick spoke with McIver's attorney, who is furious that the DA now wants to retry McIver.
He is angry, but
we will be ready for trial.
Don Samuel, Tex McIver's attorney, angry that Fulton County DA Fonnie Willis now wants to try McIver again for the murder of McIver's wife, Diane McIver, in 2016. Tex was in the back seat of their SUV, riding with his gun on his lap. Diane was in the front passenger seat, and he shot her in the back and killed her. Tragic accident or murder? Just 3 weeks ago, when the Georgia Supreme Court threw out Tex McIver's murder conviction, citing mistakes by the state during his trial. The court's ruling went on to say that the DA's evidence against McIver was not overwhelming or even strong, and evidence of intent was weak. What evidence is there to prove McIver guilty at a new trial?
A lot of it's been excluded by the Supreme Court decision. A lot of the evidence won't be admitted again because the Supreme Court, in essence, said it was garbage evidence. It had no place in a court of law.
But DA Fonnie Willis wrote in her motion to put McIver on trial again that even if the evidence is weak, the Supreme Court acknowledged that the evidence was sufficient for the jury to conclude that the defendant was guilty.
That the Supreme Court criticized the DA's office. It reversed the conviction for misconduct, for putting in inadmissible evidence and other questionable tactics that were engaged. And here they are doing it again.
Willis declined to comment. Samuel thinks there's a chance she and her team may reconsider and just drop it.
They may have lost some witnesses they may want. They may look back at the evidence and say, with the evidence that's been stricken by the Supreme Court, we can't go forward.
Samuel expects it will be next year before there could be a second murder trial, when McIver will be 80 years old. In Atlanta, John Sherrick, 11 Alive News.